Hi students, welcome to our new video, and today we are going to start with the story that is Robinson Crusoe. So let us discuss what is there in this story.
Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. So he had been alone for many years and longed for company. One day he discovers a footprint on the sand. Let's find out what he did then. So one day when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. So here he was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. So he started looking around. He neither see anything nor he could hear anything. I went up higher to look down. So he went up to look whether someone is there. I went up the shore and down the shore. So he went up the shore and down the shore. I could find no other footprint but that one. So he started finding, but he found that only one footprint. But it was no good. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if it had been my imagination. So he started saying that again the footprints, if he can see more footprints or whether it was been imagination for him. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot. So he was sure that it is a footprint. Okay. Toes, heel, every part of a foot. So can you see the footprint? Yes. Toes, heel and every part of a foot is seen. I could not imagine how it came there. So he started imagining. Okay, whose footprint is that? So he stayed there for a long time thinking, but came more and more confused. So as he started thinking, he was more confused. At last, I returned home very frightened, and he returned at home as he was very much frightened. Looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps. So he started going and looking behind whether he could see some more steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. When I came to my cave, that is, which he called as castle. Can you see the cave? Yes. So he came again to the cave. I ran inside it as if I was being chased. That means something in order to catch, as if something is catching him. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went in by the hole in the rock. So here he is telling that he did not remember whether he used ladder or went by the hole in the rock, which I called the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. So he is telling he ran as fast as any animal could run. I did not sleep that night. So as he was afraid, he did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. So as he was thinking more and more, so he was getting afraid more about that. I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland. So what do you mean by savages? That is a wild people living who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Wandered, that is, go from place to place without a definite route. Luckily, I was not on shore at that time, but what if he had seen my boat? So here he is telling that he was not at the shore, but what if he sees his boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island. So what he is telling, if someone has seen the boat, they would realize that someone is living on that island and would soon return with others to kill me and eat me. And so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. So he was very afraid and started praying to God for his own protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. So he was comforted and he started went to investigate who is that. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently. So as he went, he used to look backside frequently because I was still very frightened. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. So what he did, he decided to go down near the shore again to examine, to see the footprint once again. I decided to measure it with my own footmark. So he did to measure that footmark with his own footmark. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint. So, can you see he is near closer to that footprint? So, seeing that, he was realizing that it is not the footprint of his own. Because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. As he has not come to this part of the beach. So, he is telling that he is not footprint of his. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. So can you see? He put his own footprint, but it is larger than his own footprint. My fear returned. So now he was not feared. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited, that is, living with people or animals. So, in this way, Robinson Crusoe discovered a footprint.
So here we have completed with this story, and I am going to send you all the PDF, in which first I have sent you all the textual question which you are going to complete in your textbook, and the remaining extra question answers that you are going to write down in your English notebook.